Hi everybody and welcome back, or hello if you're new. I'm Feb and today we're looking at the new House of Wizardry crate. So this is their monthly one and this is the first one I've ever tried from them. They've just started. I'll quickly show you their webpage so you can see what they're about. Okay, so as you can see they have a quarterly box which is March, June, September, December, 50 quid and delivered free in the UK, and 30 quid for the monthly one. So just quickly going down to the monthly box, you are supposed to get a t-shirt, a potion or potion ingredient in a beautifully styled box or bottle, a pin and a mystery item. So there's just 4 items in here, so it's going to be a super quick video. And as you can see, here are the cut-off dates for ordering. So here we go, let's get into it. Okay, so it arrives in just a plain simple box with just the House of Wizardry sticker on the front. Grab some scissors and get it open. I went for the monthly one instead of the quarterly one because A, I don't want to have to wait 3 months, and B, I quite like the idea of having 1 mystery item and 3 items that I know I'm gonna like, you know, because when I looked at their July quarterly box, their prototype, there was a couple of things in there that I just thought, if they're going to put things like that in the quarterly one every time, then I'm not sure that I'm going to want them, you know. So we'll see what we get. Okay, so sneak peek. Not a lot to see there. Loads of paper for your fire. And then we have care for boils. What? Oh dear. Okay, well, we'll get to that. And this just tells you about what's happening next month by the look of it. Okay, so this is going to be the potion. It's very nicely wrapped. Okay. All right, so it is a cure for boils. That is a really nice looking bottle. I love it. And on the back, there's also a super nice label. I'll show you close-ups of everything at the end. And look at the little charm on it. That is very pretty. Plus, it's also got some really nice swirl in there. Ooh, beautiful. Okay, so that's the potion for this month, and I love it. It's quite large. Have a look at the pin. Nicely wrapped again. Okay. All right, so the pin's a bit boring, to be honest. It's a chocolate frog. Let me get it out so I can show it to you clearly. It's only got 1 clasp on the back. It's just purple and it's a chocolate frog. So, you know, nothing spectacular. Shame. Right, let's have a look at the t-shirt. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is interesting. Okay, right. The quality of this t-shirt feels really nice. It is, oh my god. Okay, so this is the back. London Zoo Reptile House. And on the front it says Keeper. Okay, it looks enormous actually. I'm regretting buying size large. I think maybe, you never know, do you, when you're buying off of a website, what's going to be your correct size, even if you, I mean, I don't think they actually did have that much detail about sizing on there. So it's a Fruit of the Loom shirt, and yeah, a blooming great snake on the back. Will I ever wear it? Probably not, actually. We'll see. Okay, and then the last thing is the mystery item. Now they did say, as a new subscriber, you would get a candle burning thing with your first box, which I haven't got here, so I don't quite know what's happened there, but I don't really mind. All right, we've got a candle. Okay, it's from Wizarding Wix. Happy birthday. It has just been Harry's birthday on the 31st of July. Okay, that's cute. And it smells fruity. I don't know, can't put it any I couldn't tell you the notes, but it definitely smells fruity, like mangoes or something, you know, tropical. Okay, happy birthday. Am I the only one that gets annoyed about the fact that they think that Hagrid can't spell when he patently can from the books? That's one little detail in the movies that really annoyed me. Anyway, so that's cute. So of the 4 items, let's just wrap this up. Of the 4 items, 2 I love, 1 I'm meh about, and this one also meh. Okay, well, I've signed up for the monthly one, so I will do this again and see, you know, what we get each month, and continue it for as long as I feel like I want to, you know. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed it. Do let me know what you think about the items. I'll show you a close-up right at the end. Take care and stay safe, everybody.